They lived in Germany blank nearly 2 years. For or since. So remember guys, for is followed by a period of time. How long? We say the number of days here, 5 days, 6 months, 10 years. And since comes before the starting point, when. So here we say the name of the days or months or years. For example, Monday since 2020. Here the keyword is 2 years. You are telling the number of years. So we use for here. They lived in Germany for nearly 2 years. Blank is the movie. How long or how often? We use how long when we're talking about the duration. And we use how often when we're talking about the frequency. So here we're talking about the duration. Maybe it will take 2 hours. So how long is the movie? Blank, do you go to the mall? How long do you go? How often do you go? So what do you think is the right answer, guys? Let me know the answer in the comments.